think you are. Ran out of nuts already, didn't I, buddy? Hey, my sweet boy. Hey, Bobby. It's about to fly away. This could be a very short live session, couldn't it, Bob? Off he goes. Off he goes. Very short live session, but as you can see, I'm up on the cliffs and there's loads of cockatoos up here. That was just Bob. Saw Googly and Limpy Lady just before as well. They're eating all of the bushes and looking very cute in the process. Another few more over here, over there, and there's one up here. Hello. Another one over there. They're all a little bit hard to get to now though. Don't think I can get down there. Oh, one just flew straight over my head. There's one just here. It's a little bit treacherous to walk through. It's like I've already lost my sandals a couple of times in the sticks. So please bear with me. Maybe I can get close to that one. Maybe this one. Sorry about the crazy camera work here, folks. Hello. Just gotta watch where I'm going. Hey, kitty. What have we got here? Just gonna keep my distance so I don't freak it out. They're not entirely sure who I am, I think. Bob knew me. Hello. You can keep eating that tree, it's alright. Oops. Hey, kitty. Scared it off. Can I get closer to this little crowd? I'm a little bit off the beaten path. My walking track's over there somewhere. Hello, cuties. I need someone like Honky here. There's Bob in the middle. Whee! There's so many of them down here. Never seen them here before. Hello! Hiya! It's very exciting for me. Who's this? Who's Bob's little friend? Oh, he's getting a little preen from his little pal there. Slightly unwelcome preen, perhaps. So I had 2 nuts just before. I've already given those away. There's another one over there, bouncing around. Who's your little friend there, Bob? Oh, he likes that scritch. Hello. Don't mind me, guys. Oh yeah, take a dump. Alright folks, I'm going to go so I can take some more photos. I will show you some of those later on. Bye bye.